What if I told you that instead of asking ChatGPT to solve your math problems and paying your professor doesn't spot it, you could have it actually train you to think like a mathematician? Well, OpenAI just made that possible with their new study and learn more. Hailed by some as the future of AI in education, and dismissed by others as an overlay complex to fix to academic dishonesty. The truth may not be what you expect. Welcome back to our Innovators, where we cut through the hype to bring you what actually matters. On July 29, 2025, OpenAI rolled out Study Mode, a variant of ChatGPT that refuses to hand you instant solutions. Instead, it pushes you to work through problems, adapt your thinking, and develop real mastery. Today, we are unpacking whether this is a genuine leap forward or just clever PR disguised as innovation. Now, what is ChatGPT's Study Mode? This isn't just an AI with an education sticker slapped in it. Study Mode fundamentally revives ChatGPT's behavior, built with input from educators and cognitive scientists. When activated, it changes personality, probing, guiding, and nudging you towards your own answer rather than feeding you ready-made ones. The philosophy is to make you understand the goal isn't just to help you get through the assignment, it's to help you own the concepts. Now, the revolutionary features you need to know. AI-powered tutoring engine. Forget instant answers. In study mode, when you ask a question, it answers with the question, leading you to break down your own reasoning. This uses modernized Socratic method, which research shows is one of the most effective ways to deepen comprehension. Guided concept exploration. The AI adapts to your current understanding. You can upload a complex case study or a scientific paper, and it will walk you through piece by piece. Instead of just explaining quantum mechanics in one overwhelming dump, it will start with what do you already know about particles and waves, building from there until you have connected the dots yourself. Knowledge checkpoints. Instead of letting you coast, study mode constantly checks your understanding with mini quizzes, example problems, and open-ended questions. Prepping for a physics exam, it identifies where you are shaky, like misapplying Newton's law, and drills those gaps until they are solid. Here's a live example of study mode versus regular ChatGPT. Let's say you ask both variants, how does supply and demand affect pricing? Regular ChatGPT gives you a polished paragraph. Demand goes up, prices rise, supply increases, prices drop. Study mode starts with what's your understanding on how prices changes when more people want the same product. Then can you think of a real world example where supply stayed the same but demand spike? The conversation builds until you articulate the rule, and then you test it on different scenarios like housing markets or concert tickets. Personalized learning pathways. Study mode adjusts difficulty and approach based on your progress. If you are breezing through algebra, it will push you towards proofs. If you are stuck on step 1, it won't skip it ahead. It will scaffold the problem until you get it. Context memory. Weeks later, you can return and it remembers. You struggled with integrating trigonometric functions, or that you preferred learning grammar through conversation instead of drills. It builds on past lessons instead of starting from zero. Privacy first by design. By making cheating more effort than learning, it naturally encourages real study. And your progress stays private, no scoreboard, no shame, just you and the AI building skills. Now, who can use it? Students can have interactive sessions for exams, essays, or labs. Professionals can have skill training with real-world simulations. And lifelong learners learn guitar theory, photography, or even bread making guided, not spoon-fed. We are watching AI move from productivity booster to learning amplifier. For the first time, it's not about shortcuts, it's about skill building that sticks. Study mode could be a turning point, an AI tutor that adapts to you, remembers your struggles, and refuses to do the work for you. It's a challenge, but one that rewards you with real competence. Now, here's a question for you. If an AI made the word harder for the answer but ensured you actually learned, would you use it? If you like this breakdown, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.